Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to change a battery in a Mercedes Key Fob. You'll need a Mercedes key and also a Panasonic CR2025 battery. Let's get into it. Take the key fob and locate the slider on the left hand side on the bottom of the key. Use the slider to push up to release the manual key within your key fob. This will now release the key. At the bottom of the key, just above the slider, there will be a little clip. Place the key inside and you'll find that the bottom will just pop off with a little bit of force. You'll now be able to see the battery. Now that the back plate is off, simply push the key over and tap a couple of times until the battery comes out. Now you have the battery and the key fob separated. Now that you have the replacement battery ready and the key fob, make sure you put the battery in the right way up, but making sure it's positive front facing you. Simply put the battery in, push it down slightly and make sure the battery's in like that. Now take the back plate and the key fob, place the back plate back on the key fob and press down, making sure it's securely in place all the way around the key fob. Then take your physical key and place this back in the key fob at the bottom, and now you've successfully changed the battery in your Mercedes Key Fob.